this is Dorothy with That's Scrapbooking, and I just wanted to go over some cutting for the Honey Bunny layouts that are available right now from close to my heart. And so there are a number of triangles that are shown here, and the reason why I'm doing it on a mat is because I have a 12 by 12 Fiskars paper trimmer, but I can't really do anything. The diagonal is too long. So I'm using my Versamat cutting mat, and I'm also using I took the T off, so I'm using my ruler from my T-square that I also got from close to my heart, but I don't think it's available any longer. So I am just showing you right here that I am going from 1/2 of an inch down from the top and over to 2 1/4 inches down at the bottom. And so I'm using this pen blade, which I love it because it snaps back. So it's not just laying around with its blade hanging out. So I am kind of eyeballing. It would be nicer to have a full length ruler that went from one end to the other. So I am just kind of eyeballing this. Now I will tell you that I assumed that I was cutting a full triangle, and so I cut all the way through. It didn't cut all the way through the first time, which would have been perfect because actually the triangle on the right-hand side is going to get folded over. So they just wanted this to be kind of a fold line, like a scored line. So I went all the way through. Now I'm just going to glue the bottom triangle back on itself to the plaid triangle. So see, I'm cutting through here, and I don't suggest you do that. I just suggest that you fold like right here would have been perfect. But so I am cutting it, but I will Tombow that and glue it into place along the plaid. What'll be showing is the plaid triangle. So if I flip it over so that the plaid is showing like that, and then that the butterflies will, the cut edge will go along the other cut edge of the plaid and glued in place on that. So that is going to be one piece to go on project 2. So the next triangles are going to be, I cut down a 12 by 12 second piece of the plaid down to 7 inches by 12 inches. Well, actually 7 inches by like 11 and a half. Yeah, 11 and a half. So I'm putting a little bit of Tombow in each corner, and I'm using the 6 as my 0 point, and I'm going 3 1/2 inches over from the 6. So I'm going to go from the 6, thinking that as the 0, all the way down to the left right angle, the left corner. So knowing that this is thick paper, I'm trying to put a little bit more pressure on and go over several times. So you just have to make sure that you don't move your ruler while you're doing that. And then I am going to do the second cut is the same as the first, just going in the opposite direction. So those two triangles on the outside are going to be 3 1/2 by 11 1/2 inches. And I'm just making sure I'm cut all the way through, and I am. So we're going to use all 3 of those triangles. So that's 2H, 2F, and 2G. So that's for the second layout. So there's that set of triangles. And once again, this is for those of us who don't have the extra large paper trimmer. So this is the next triangle that we're going to cut. And it's this pretty kind of I guess a damask print. Anyway, it's just, a beautiful pale kind of peach. And we are going from, so this is a 12 by 12 piece of paper. So we're going from 9.5 over on the cutting mat down to 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom. So this triangle is going to be 9.5 by 11 1/4. So you want to have, your longest possible ruler. If you've got an 18-inch ruler, that would be a good thing, because then you'd have it fully covered. So I'm just making sure that I've got it cut all the way through. And I do. So that's another triangle, the last triangle. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles that are used in the layouts. So that was, I just wanted to show you the things that I'm using. I've got my Close to My Heart T-square. This is called a pen blade, and you can get this on Amazon, and they have an assorted pack of different types of blades, a 10, 11, and 15 blade. So those are super handy for hobbies. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.